Now I've imported in the PDF, the first floor plan PDF, and I have set it up into position. So that's the first interesting thing that I spotted, that this curved roof comes across like so here. Now I can't see the roofs, so what I'm going to do is adjust the view range again. Okay, and I'm going to take that up to 4. Oh, and I'm going to take the cut through maybe at 3500 and see how that works out just for the moment. Okay, now I can see those roofs there. All right. So the first one to deal with is this. So let's pick it and align it. So go back to you if you don't mind. And oh, I don't have upper story walls as yet, so we'll just get this reasonably accurate. So again, pick it, enable the snaps. So we're going to say maybe no, to that, align this. Okay, now we're going to pick this, we're going to edit the profile. Wants me to do it in a section. Okay, we'll do it in a 3D view. Okay, let's just get up on top here. Ooh, okay, here's a tricky little problem now. It's because that's the view, that's the extrusion that we created. That's the only sketchy line that I have, so I'm going to have to do something different here. I'm going to cancel that. Okay, and we'll go back to the this view here. Now, now we have to come up with a different way of doing that. So let's choose the roof, select it, and we couldn't do the edit profile, so we're going to create a vertical. So we're going to do a slice on it like so. So we're going to pick that one. I'm going to pick the rectangular tool here, and I'll take it from that point and drag it out to this point in here. Okay, and finish. Now 3D, and there's my roof cut like so. Okay, back to here. Okay, that's that one. Now does this one do it in funny for us here? I don't think so. Okay, so that is, I think those are set now correctly. All right. Now let me just check the front elevation. So what I could do now is I could join these lines up here. Sorry, take that back, because they're not coming in under there. I don't want to do that. So for the areas that have the first floor plan, all right, let's get in here. So that's these ones. So these walls here, what I should really do now is I just leave the roofs as they are for the moment. And I'm going to create the floor here and the first floor walls. All right. I don't want to bring the ground floor walls up to the underside of the as I did here. Okay. In some cases it works. So what I've got is I've got a floor here that's going from ground floor to the underside of that there. That's probably okay in that situation, but I wouldn't be happy to do that underneath this roof here. I would prefer to create a set of walls that go from, say, the first floor to an unconnected height of 500 above, and then I'll connect them to the underside of the roof, rather than bringing one up here. Why would I do that? It's probably just better practice for starters. And if I go to the south elevation here, okay, and here is the if you remember the plan, the PDF. So there's a change of material, is there? So there's brickwork going up in around here, and there's that roof that we talked about. You know, so it's not as straightforward as it looks. You know, so if that's the roof across there, any of those internal walls I could bring up to the underside of that roof. That's fine. We could do something because it'll provide a bit of support for those, if that's how I'm going to do it. Or again, I've got the beam created, so I can spread those beams out across here, going from top to bottom, and put them on top of these walls here. So it just gives me a little bit more latitude for this area here to create a first floor wall, right? I'll probably reuse the same wall type, and then I can change it if I want to change the finish to it. I've got that option to be able to do that. So I think that's the strategy I'm going to use there. All right.